Here we are getting ready for a huge game today at the Mullins Center. 4 o'clock, the Rhode Island Rams come into town, which somebody has told me is a 130-something meeting between UMass and URI, and if my memory serves me correct, just about every one of them has been an unbelievable college basketball game that have come down to the wire. Especially in the last few years, we've had some great contests with the Rams. They come in at 13-7. Very good basketball team. Delroy James, who's been, what seems been in the league for a long time, is one of the top seniors in the conference, playing really well. Martell Jones, a very senior-laden team. Ben Eve, so they have some very good seniors in a nice basketball team. And right now, we're two teams really competing and vying for spots in the Atlantic 10. So it's going to be a huge game. Inviting all the fans out, 4 o'clock here at the Mullins. I think a great crowd would be anticipated. The students on campus seem very excited and ready to go. I was at the Dining Commons the other night. I'm not sure if they still call it the Dining Commons, but the Berkshire area where on a Friday night it was just packed, and everybody seemed really excited to come out and support the team today. So I'm anticipating a tough basketball game. We need to rebound the ball, get some easy transition baskets, and really anticipate a game that's going to come down to the wire. So 4 o'clock, I know I'll see you all there. Thank you.